3, pitch up to 8, QNH 2944.
Hold off. Off. Okay, fighting right. Make a big one here. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Moderate heavy bow spray. Yeah, got a moderate buffer. Bow spray. Aircraft set. Take off.
I don't know. He's talking to him right now. I don't know. I think it is. Dan, is it a problem or not? It's not a problem. Looks like him. Dan, talk to me. What is this? Does he know? Dude, he's on fire. A lot of smoke coming out of the engine compartment. The whole doghouse is filled with smoke. If you guys want to come to us, we'll definitely do something on this. I don't know what he's going to do. I'm sure he's landing. He's got to be landing. He's Fountain and Highland. Fountain and Highland. Fountain and Highland. Woo! Fountain and Highland. Fountain and Highland. Franklin and Highland. Franklin and Highland, Franklin and Highland, Franklin and Highland. Woo! Yeah. Franklin and Highland.
Off the driveway for me.
Did a good
Just
job.
go over here and block the driveways, please.
Yeah, just stay back from the guys, okay?
And here's a few more clips that didn't quite make the list.
That's what you should, he's setting it up just right for a stuck pedal. You'll see what happens. Yeah, he's doing exactly what he should be doing right now. When he starts pulling in power to straighten up the nose, he gets lower to the ground. He's got a stuck pedal.
Okay, we're good. Boy, good job.
Yeah. He's on the ground. That's all that mattered. He didn't roll it.
Good job, dude. Good job.
Is the helo on the ground?
Yeah, he's on the ground. He did a good job getting it on the ground.
Excellent.